Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today, right here on our beautiful table, we have a very healthy salad for you. Now, it's called tomato avocado salad. Real simple ingredients, but you know, I can't go too far without my turkey bacon. So the turkey bacon and the turkey sausage crumble is optional. It's because this salad is really so simplistic. It is absolutely phenomenal for my vegans and my vegetarians. If you just want to omit this, and this is optional. Not optional for us here, but it'd be optional for you. Mm-hmm. So with that said, I just need my extra dose of protein. This is why we have our turkey bacon and our turkey crumbles. But you don't have to have that if you don't want to. So we have our beautiful avocados as the main star with our cherry colorful tomatoes. These are our 2 stars. Right on deck next to it is our red onions. And you know you gotta have that nice citrusy lime to spritzer. And just some real simple flavoring here. Some Himalayan salt, black pepper, and our smoked paprika. Gotta kick it up a notch. Okay. So we're gonna get into our vitamin content. Our avocado has vitamin B2, B3, B5, B6, vitamin C, E, K, folate, potassium, magnesium, and it's your healthy fat. Our tricolor cherry tomatoes has folate, vitamin C, and potassium. Our red onions has vitamins B6, C, potassium, and folate. Our lime has vitamin C. Actually, it's high in vitamin C, flavonoids, antioxidants, and it's a rich dietary fiber. Our turkey crumble has vitamins A, B6, K, niacin, phosphorus, and zinc. Our turkey bacon has vitamin B6, B12, niacin, iron, and zinc. Our Himalayan salt has potassium, iron, calcium, and magnesium. Our black pepper has vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B5, B6, E, and K. And our smoked paprika has vitamins A, calcium, folate, potassium, and phosphorus. Real facts, 29% of college students are facing food insecurity. In fact, some have reported experiencing food insecurity within the last 30 days. So we are now going to cut our avocados, and Ian's going to put together our cherry tomatoes in the bowl and the red onions, and he's going to give it some flavor with our seasoning here. Now I've got to do this little wish and this little prayer that our avocado is good when I cut it, because the truth is that when you go to the store, even though it might feel great, sometimes you never know what you're getting with an avocado until you open it. So I hope you're good. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. And if you're interested in my little tool here, you know, I can link it below for you. So this is a faux serrated knife that cuts the avocado. And I hope you're good. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Okay, so we're decent today. And so it also removes our pit. There we go. And what I'm going to do here, Ian, you're going to put a little bit of your
put a little paprika.
Of your paprika.
Smoked paprika.
So I'm just going to slice this down this way, and I'm going to scoop it out. And the reason we need, because they're so tiny, so that's why we had to have 3 avocados to get the deal done. Now, I have a trick about this avocado in order for it not to oxidize quickly. And I would suggest that you go to my sweet potato soup video and you could see something that would change the whole game for you. Something really unique if you don't already know, which you probably don't. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Okay.
You're going to get some more avocados in here.
Yes.
You know what, the way things are now at the store,
It's crazy.
You spend all this money on food and you just sometimes don't know what you're getting until you get home with some of the produce. And it's really sad, you know, because you're spending all this money trying to eat well, trying to eat, you know, healthy, and the produce is bad. It's just not lasting at all.
I think they're rushing it.
I don't know what they're doing, Ian. All I know is that we have experienced a couple bad produces in here.
Yes, we have.
So, and particularly when we're trying to feed, you know, our clients, we definitely have experienced some bad produce. There we go.
Voila.
We're gonna cut this with our full serrated knife. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Yay! And it's good.
Oh, it's been real good.
So we can take out our pit. Take this. Just hold on. There we go. Then now we just make some lines down straight. Just kind of cut across. And then we're going to scoop it out.
Yeah, get in there. You go.
Okay. Okay.
Nothing better than a fresh avocado.
Fresh avocado.
Yes.
And get everything out.
Yes.
Leave nothing to waste. Okay.
Like you always say, don't leave anything behind.
No, we don't want to do that. So really your cream or your fake dressing is going to be from the avocado itself. It's going to make it really creamy. Everything. When Ian mixes it up. Ian, you put everything in here already? Your salt.
Yes.
And we have to put our lime. We're
Yes, you're going to squeeze that.
You're going to squeeze your lime. Because today, Ian, you have strength, right?
Yes, I have strength, Mama.
Okay.
I didn't hear anything in the comments. Nobody commented.
People need to comment, say, Ian,
Stop being
we
a baby.
want you to have strength.
Stop being the little baby.
All right, Ian, so I want you to squeeze your lime.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Ian, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it.
Okay.
How are you squeezing that, Ian?
I'm doing.
Oh my gosh.
Here you go on, Mom. You can squeeze
Okay.
that one. Okay.
And Ian, I have bad hands right now. I have arthritis in
I
my
know.
hands and I'm squeezing better than you. Okay, so. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Fresh squeezed lime.
They can't smell it, but I love the smell.
All right. So I would honestly tell you, sprinkle a little bit of love again.
Okay.
All right, because you lost some of that a little bit.
Another one?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
yeah, you got it.
Because nothing has seasoning. And then come on, give another line, give another love to your black pepper.
Yeah.
And to your smoked paprika. Yeah, there you go. E, look at that. Yes.
Okay.
That's
And
where
the
the loving comes.
And the paprika.
We want things that got a little taste to it. Yeah.
There we go.
Yes. Won't you give it a little bit more smoked paprika?
Oh, you love that paprika.
Oh, smoked paprika is everything. Have you guys tried it? If you haven't, definitely try it.
I like it.
Okay, so you want to put your...
Sausage.
Again, my vegans, my vegetarians, don't put this in if that's how you eat. That's your lifestyle. You don't need to have any turkey crumbles.
But
this
for
is
me-
just beautiful by itself.
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's enough for you.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Ian. So now Ian's going to use the best tools in the house. Yes, Ian, what are they?
My paws, my
His
hands.
hands. And he's going to be gentle.
Yes, I'm going to be very gentle.
Because remember, Ian, I got to eat the salad. So
I know.
please,
I know.
let's be gentle and let's make it beautiful.
Yes, Mama.
Let me see if you need some more loving. Yeah, I think you might need just a little bit more loving.
You know, Mama? I'm
Okay.
going to let you spritz.
Okay. Let me make sure I give it some love.
Okay.
Remember, Himalayan salt does not have the same count of sodium as your regular iodine salt, your table salt. So it's okay. This is where the real beauty comes from.
Dress it up with a beautiful color.
Ooh, yes, honey. Let's do that. Let's do that, E. Yes.
Looks nice.
It does look nice, doesn't it, E?
Yes, it does.
Yes, and that's, it's going to look even nicer, right?
Yeah,
Put some turkey bacon on it. Yes. We're just going to say, come on, come on, come on. Shimmy, shimmy, E.
Here we go. Huh?
Yes. We got to put that turkey bacon on it.
There we go.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
See, not too much, guys. Well, I'm going to put some more on my plate, though. But
yeah.
Well, E, look at our simple lunch that you made for us.
Thank you.
All right. So, 3 real ingredients if you want to take out the turkey bacon and the turkey sausage crumbles. It's just avocado, red onion, and cherry colored tomatoes. Or you can use regular cherry tomatoes. I mean, just the red ones if you don't have the color ones. But I like the color ones because what does color mean, Ian?
Nutrition.
And also it's beautifully and aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. So I try to put a lot of variety of colors in there. But again, you will still get the same vitamin content if you just use all the red ones. And that's a nice color too. Just the red and the green.
For the person who is on the go. Right, Mama?
If you do eat some meat, you definitely put some turkey bacon in here. Or some real bacon. Shh, don't tell Ian.
Yeah, but it's perfect for the person on the go.
Absolutely. Because it's a quick and easy salad. And it's healthy. And it's full of nutrients.
You know, there's a lot of working mothers out there that really have to get going. And even working men. But like I would say, it's something quick and easy.
You know, Ian, you know I gotta put some more turkey bacon on here for you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Ooh la la, look at you, Ian.
Thank you, Mom.
I gotta make sure you got all your nutrition facts here.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Oh. Wow, it looks good. Can't wait to taste it.
Yeah. Can't wait for you to taste it too, E. Put my turkey bacon up in here. Woo.
You have to have your bacon.
I do.
If it's turkey or your swine, you gotta have your bacon.
I do. Tell the truth, Ian.
Yes,
it's the truth. True. Okay. So.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Ooh, I gotta get everything.
Get my cherry tomatoes. I got my avocado. Let me get my cherry tomato. Ooh, let me get my bacon up in here. Okay. Ooh, where's my cherry tomatoes? Don't embarrass me. My onion. And my onion. Okay.
You know, you're so right about this. You don't need dressing.
This is so good.
It is.
It really is. It's creamy. You do not need dressing.
No.
Like Ian said, because the avocado is so creamy. And it's a really great avocado, too. You get that crisp from the red onion. You get that nice type of smoky flavor from the turkey bacon.
Yeah.
And the cherry tomatoes gives it that sweetness. And
me being an avocado lover.
And that avocado is everything.
It really
is. Taste a little bit of the smoked paprika. This is such a great, quick, even almost refreshing salad, to be honest. It's so good. Real simple ingredients. I encourage you to try this. Listen. Don't forget to click the like button. When you do that, you give us a virtual hug. And Ian and I, we love hugs.
Oh, without a doubt.
We are huggers. Hit the subscribe button. That lets us know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out, and it encourages us to do more. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can know every time we upload a new video. And share. I've always been taught that sharing is caring. And I believe that philosophy to be true. Why would you not want to share some of this stuff and keep it to yourself? You know your people, when they find out, are going to get mad at you that you knew about this and you didn't share it with them. So share. And I have to tell you guys, I am loving every bite of this.
That's what I want to hear. Be part of the family. Please.
Yes, like Ian said, be part of the family. Be part of the Ma Chef and family.
Yes.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We really appreciate it. Come back and hang out with us again so we can do more things together. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.